CFA classes. You guys constantly ask me to recommend you one, and I've done so many times in the past. But this time around, I thought, you know what? I'm not just gonna tell you a class whose name I've heard popularly. I'm not just gonna tell you a class whose lectures I've attended in the past. I'll not just tell you a class whose free YouTube videos I've seen, but instead, I will actually attend the lectures of a class, share my thoughts, see what the experience is, and then tell you whether the class is worth it or not. And in today's video, the class that I'm reviewing is called AnalystPrep. Okay, so AnalystPrep is basically a CFA class who offers recorded CFA lectures. And I think in today's day and age, anybody who's offering you recorded lectures is actually a win, because we are all kind of running out of time. So watching lectures on your convenience or based on your timeline is a big plus, right? So the lectures that I attended are from CFA Level I. I particularly decided to sit for the fixed income lectures. A, because during my Level 1, I kind of struggled a little with fixed income. B, a lot of my clients I see also struggle with fixed income. C, a lot of my subscribers also are constantly struggling with fixed income. So I thought, you know what, let me check how are they teaching fixed income, because it's a subject that I know a lot of you will find a good benchmark. So I attended those lectures. Before I tell you what my reviews are on the lectures, let me tell you first my overall experience. Starting with the interface. Very smooth, very easy. The moment I put my login credentials, everything was self-explanatory. I did not struggle to find anything, on the interface based on questions, lectures. Everything was smooth and easy. It really was smooth and easy. Now coming to the resources that they have if you buy the lectures. Of course, video lectures are a part of it for every single reading. They also actually give you detailed notes. They give you practice questions for every single chapter. What I really liked is they give you quizzes, full chapter quizzes, and not just normally, they actually let you customize these quizzes. So you can, for example, choose the number of questions you want to opt for say a mixed quants test. If you want to challenge yourself even further, you can add quants plus economics, or you can make a mixture of like derivatives, AI plus fixed income. So you can actually customize the quiz based on the subjects that you want to give, the number of questions you want to give, and it's literally written create a quiz. So I found this a good way to challenge yourself. They give you mock exams, complete mock exams, around 5 mock exams. But what actually stood out for me is they give you video lectures that are solving these mock exams in detail. So I remember when I was in CFA Level 1 and when I gave my mock, I found the answers a little bit vague in certain areas. I felt like, I was not 100% satisfied, or maybe the concept was not fully clear in certain aspects. But the fact that here they are solving the mock with you, explaining every single question, helps in getting extreme conceptual clarity. And wherever you feel like, that slight guesswork is happening, it even mitigates that. So honestly, this is something that really stood out for me.